Ochre Pit Cove is a charming coastal community in Newfoundland and Labrador. Ochre Pit Cove gets its name from a large ochre deposit in the area. The cove was originally inhabited by the Beothuk, indigenous people who lived in Newfoundland before European settlers arrived. The Beothuk used ochre to paint their skin, and there are still stone markers on a hill in Ochre Pit Cove left behind by them. If you're planning a trip, there are several places to explore in Ochre Pit Cove. Visit Northern Bay Sands, known for its beautiful beaches. Explore the Wooden Boat Museum of Newfoundland and Labrador, where you can learn about the region's maritime history. Check out the Ocean View Art Gallery for some local art, and don't miss the Hearts Content Cable Station, a historic site.